Hey guys, welcome back, and this video is about the new BMW 330e plug-in hybrid. Let's begin. BMW's iconic 3 Series has been modernized with a new plug-in hybrid powertrain. At its heart lies a 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine with a punchy electric motor and a new lithium-ion battery pack that can hold enough energy for 37 miles on zero-emission driving. It has an extra boost feature. In sports mode, this temporarily increases power from 249 brake horsepower to 289 brake horsepower, as long as there's enough charge in the battery pack. And overall, BMW says its new 330e is 30% faster than before. With CO2 emissions of just 39 grams, the 330e holds strong appeal for company car drivers, who will no doubt be looking at its 16% benefit in kind liability, a significant advantage over its diesel models. All this extra technology hasn't come at cost of drivability or choice. With 330e feeling just as good from behind the wheel and coming in SE, Sports and M Sports trim, there is plenty of room for passengers too, although its boot has shrunk to 375 liters as a result of the battery pack. BMW 330e EV range should cover most commutes. Its clever hybrid mode is efficient the rest of the time. The plug-in hybrid 330e is sure to attract business and private customers thanks to its low running cost. Even when tested under the strict new WLTP regime, a 37-mile EV range gives the 330e a significant boost, helping it post a fuel efficiency figures of 138 miles per gallon and 39 grams CO2. While it's debatable whether the owner will achieve 138 miles per gallon, very much depending on their driving style and how often they charge its batteries, the 330e CO2 emission will remain fixed for the life of the vehicle. Most drivers will be more than satisfied by the BMW 330e driving experience. While the previous 330e wasn't slow, the German brand has used its latest technology to further boost performance for this version. The changes include an electric motor capable of unleashing an extra 40 brake horsepower when the driver selected a sports mode, bumping the 330e's combined power with a 2-liter petrol engine from 249 brake horsepower to 289 brake horsepower. All its power is sent to the rear wheels, and the 0 to 62 benchmark is completed in 6 seconds, with the 330e feeling as quick as its specifications suggested. Under hard acceleration, the 2-liter engine can sound strained, but drive more gently and the 330e gets up to the speeds like any other 3 Series. It handles like one too, with little signs of extra weight added by electric motor and battery pack. There is almost no body lean in corners and the steering is sharp and accurate. With petrol and electric power, you also have more choice over how the 330e drives via the driving modes. Left in hybrid, the onboard computer gathers power based on your driving style and even data from your setup, while EV mode uses just electric power whenever you have enough charge and are traveling below 68 miles an hour. You can also choose to save the battery charge for later use, and you can solely rely on the petrol engine. I hope you enjoyed this informative video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.